Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, August 31st, and this is my full top-down analysis for gold. And we're going to start on the monthly, work our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, if you've been watching my videos, I still think that gold is extremely clear on the monthly time frame. We have a first impulsive up right here, wave one. We have an expanding ABC right here, wave two. And then from this point up, everything is just a subdivision of the wave three. So we have a one of three, a two of three, and we're likely still, well, this point right here, I think is the wave three of three. Maybe we are going to go down and finish off a wave four of wave three, which will probably last about the same time as the wave two, and then potentially go up again for a wave five of wave three. So keeping all this in mind, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I suspect that the wave three is over right here. And I think this is a WXY of wave four, which a wave four should take out structure of the wave three, which is why I would target someplace around the 2950 to $3,000 area to end this wave four, and then potentially go up to finish off the wave five. And like I said, this is all just subdivisions of the higher time frame wave three. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. Now, it's been a very sideways, very overlapping market, which is why I still think this is all part of a correction. I see this as one, two, three waves down for like a W, and then I think we potentially have a WXY for the wave X. So we have one, two, three waves up for the first A of the WXY, or the potentially the wave W, and then we have one, two, three waves down for the wave X, and then we hopefully have one, two, three waves up for the wave Y, and this is a WXY of X. Then we would potentially either make five waves down like that for a flat pattern, or another three waves down for like the completion of a WXY. Either way, I think that when it does turn down, it's going to go down and take out this structure, which is all the way down to about the 2950 area. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm looking at this move up as potentially another three-way pattern. Like I said, most likely three waves of Y. If it is a three-way pattern, then this 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected out the bottom of wave B is definitely a very, very likely area for this to turn. Now it kind of looks to me like a wave one, wave two, wave three. Makes me think that potentially we need a four, then we need a five, and then we're going to get a break of structure to the downside, ending this trend for the wave C. And this is the 4 hour time frame. So keep in mind that a wave four, wave five on the 4 hour time frame potentially should take a couple days to play out, if not even longer. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we have to keep in mind that the trend is our friend. And what do I mean by that? I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. The trend on the higher time frames for sure could continue. This thing could just go down to a fib level and just keep on going up. If it does decide to end the wave three, then it definitely would go down and take out this low, probably more something like this. Probably a bigger, more drawn out correction, some sort of an ABC of four, and then back up for wave five. So I honestly would be very cautious about trading this to the downside because the trend is your friend. The trend is up on the monthly, the trend is up on the weekly, the trend is up on the daily, the trend is up on the 4 hour. So when the trend is up on every single time frame, and you go down to the 1 hour time frame and you're like, oh, this looks like it's going to go down. Oftentimes that's a really good way to get burnt and lose a trade. So I would definitely still be recommending longs, whether it does something like this, it makes a big wave pullback for like a wave four, or whether it just makes a little pullback like this. I would definitely still primarily be focused on longs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.